Allah Ta'ala has given each and every one of us a willpower, strength, courage, himmat. And we have to make use of that himmat. Why is it only when it comes to deen, then we got no himmat? But for everything else, we got so much himmat that if somebody says that if you get up 3 o'clock in the morning and you go to a certain place and conduct your business, then you will make hundreds of thousands of rand of business. Then that person got himmat to get up even in the winter morning is there. So the himmat is there. It's just that because we have got no concern for the akhirat. And Allah Ta'ala has given us food to eat, He's giving us clothes to wear, He's giving us shelter. He has saved us from the tests and the trials that our brothers are going through who are refugees in camps, without clothes, without food, without shelter. So many thousands or hundreds of thousands of them or millions of them throughout the world there are who are going without food, water, drink, whatever little is thrown at them from above by helicopters, they accept it. And they look at the queues of people who had once plush houses and mansions and who had degrees and qualifications, but because of wars or because of floods or because of other disasters, they have now lost everything. So Allah Ta'ala has saved us and protected us from that. So therefore we are abusing this God-given gift. We are abusing it. We are not concerned. As I mentioned in the Friday talk, that if a person is deprived of food for 15-20 days, and thereafter, when he's gone frail and weak, and he's about to expire or depart from this world, at that time you ask that person that must I bring that illicit love of yours now, or do you want food? Or you are so addicted to those programs and all that evil, then would you like some enjoyment, some entertainment, some music, some fun, some pleasure, or would you like some food? Then he will say, Maro latus, mashukaku, give me food. So why should we disobey that Allah, in whose hands the treasures lie, in whose hands the rizq lies? He can tighten the screw any time He wishes. And we have seen it happening all around the world. What makes us so complacent that nothing can happen here?